Digize. Now, Digize is that oil you just don't want to leave the house without, especially when you're going to a restaurant, right? So if you're going to go out to eat, you want to make sure you take Digize with you. Digize is exactly what it sounds like. Digestion. That's how I think of Digize. Now, Digize is a blend of a bunch of digestion stomach oils, such as ginger and fennel and anise and peppermint. And it's got lemongrass and patchouli. So it's really good if you have, if you need help with digestion. You can put a drop in some water and drink it before you have a big meal, or even put it in a drop of warm water after you've eaten your meal. You can roll it, put it in a roller like this and roll it all over your belly. If you don't have a roller, you can just put a drop on your hand and just rub it all over your belly, and it will help with bloating and constipation and uneasiness in your stomach. I like to put it on my daughter's tummy. She'll wake me up in the middle of the night sometimes with a tummy ache, and I just put a drop in her tummy and it helps soothe her tummy ache. There's some tips on Digize. All right, on to the next one.